Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to enable your cookies on your Safari browser on your iPhones or iPads. So if you guys are having any issues with your websites loading and they're not loading correctly, this is one thing that could fix that. So all you have to do to turn on cookies on your iPhone is just go over to settings and open that up. Once you're on settings, you want to scroll down till you see Safari. Once you find Safari, just click on that, scroll down, and then under the privacy and security settings, you will see block all cookies. You just want to disable that. Once that's disabled, that's going to enable cookies, so you can go ahead and try to reload the websites that weren't working previously, but this is the only thing that you need to worry about to change and enable your cookies. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you out with this tutorial. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.